The first deliveries of the luxurious NIO ET9 electric car, capable of competing with Porsche and Maybach, will start in just a year, but the manufacturer continues to generate interest in it. One of the car's features is an intelligent vibrating chassis system, which allows the electric car to shake off snow. Perhaps in regions with very harsh winters, as well as with more moisture and ice, the system may not be as effective, but overall, it's quite a useful function. The NIO ET9 is a sedan priced from $112,000, built on the 900V platform. It requires less high-voltage wiring, which significantly reduces the overall weight of the car. Additionally, a smaller-sized electric motor is used in the car, providing higher power density in a smaller package. The NIO ET9 battery has a capacity of 120 kWh, and with a 5-minute charge, it can travel up to 255 kilometers. By 2025, the manufacturer intends to install 1,000 battery swap stations and 20,000 charging stations in China. The NIO ET9 is equipped with 2 electric motors with a total power of 520 kilowatts. The car features a 5nm NX9031 processor and an Atom 2.0 platform based on the Qualcomm 8295. Inside, there's a 15.6-inch screen up front and two 14.5-inch displays in the rear. The company also mentioned that the electric car allows for fully independent control of all 4 wheels, which can be adjusted in 6 directions.